Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the database is corrupted on your PS4, and this is the CE34054-6 error on your PlayStation. And the easiest way to fix this error is simply put your PlayStation 4 into the safe mode menu and then rebuild the database. So go to power, go to turn off right here, and wait for your PlayStation 4 to completely turn off. And then we want to hold down the power button. So here's my PlayStation 4 right here, and make sure you have your controller plugged in with a USB cable just like this, and wait for this light to stop blinking. So when this light stops blinking, we can just simply hold down the power button on the front. You will hear one beep, and then you're going to hear another beep maybe like 10 seconds later. So I'm going to hear the second beep. I can let go, and then to operate the safe mode menu, press the PlayStation button on the controller. So let's go up to the top now, and then press the PlayStation button. Go on down to option number 5. And it says it will take a few hours, but in my experience it only takes a few seconds. And if you have any kind of corrupted data for your game saves or your game data, this should go ahead and fix it, and it should make your PS4 run a little bit faster too. So it's going to restart to a blue screen here, where it's going to give you an estimated amount of time of how long this is going to take. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.